Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
We were doing descriptive paragraph, children, you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me how many descriptive paragraphs we have done. I showed you one. Which one was it as an example? Let me see
My
how
father.
My father.
My father.
My father.
Then you also wrote one. That was
My brother.
My brother.
My brother.
first we
Uh,
wrote no. We wrote a friend from
Haryana.
yes.
Haryana.
So one when there are three types of descriptive paragraphs: person, place, and event. So first I'm talking about person. First we saw about father. Then we wrote friend from Haryana. Then my brother or my favorite teacher. That is what we did.
Yes, ma'am.
Then,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
then
ma'am.
we did
Ma'am,
a
then
descriptive paragraph for a
Study
place
room.
also. Yes, that is for a place.
Study room.
That is study room.
Study room.
So we are doing it for a place or a thing. I have shared on the screen. What is the heading?
Mirror in my
The mirror in my room.
Please read quickly. See the clues which are given to you. What are the clues, children? Why you are fond of your room? Appearance of the mirror. How it enhances the beauty of your room. What do you mean by enhances?
Ma'am, increase.
It's and why it is liked by everyone. That mirror. So this is all about how you write about the mirror in your room. Okay, please read it quickly. Read it quickly, then we'll plan something of this kind today. Something. First, read the clues also.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Read quickly what is shared on the screen. What is the word limit, children? Please see.
100 to
100 to
150 words.
So please be yes, please be careful and now read. Better in my room. When you see the topic, it looks that it is very difficult to solve. But when you read it, you will find that it is not that difficult. Read quickly, children. And once you finish reading, let me know.
Ma'am, done reading.
Tell me 3-4
Ma'am,
points.
done.
All of you have read, then they tell me, start telling me one point. And one child should speak at one time only. What do you remember? Any one or two things that you read about the mirror? Tell me. Speak, beta.
Ma'am, that the mirror is kept very clean and that Ma'am, it reflects light. Ma'am, its reflection is
It have
flawless.
childhood memory attached to it.
Three things I have got. It's kept
There
very
is a
clean.
Ma'am,
Beta, one at a time.
Ma'am,
What did I say? One at a time. Three things I have already got. It is cleanly kept. It reflects light and it has childhood memories. Now next points.
Ma'am, the mirror is carved by a outer wooden frame.
Mirror has a carved outer wooden frame.
Okay, fine. It is has a carved for wooden frame. That's nice. Good. What else we can remember?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
the
it is
mirror is fit for the
I say that it is a mirror fit for the king.
It's placed on the side of the window.
Good.
Ma'am, it is
Very good.
it is
Ma'am, it is a
rectangular.
full length mirror.
In the house where I can come and relax.
Fine. It is in the room. So obviously, it is going to increase the beauty of the room. How many words are there approximately here that we have written?
Ma'am, 70.
Ma'am,
Yes,
about
Yes.
100.
About? How many
Ma'am,
words are
about
there?
100.
About 100 words are there. There must be more than 100. If you go through it in detail, you will find that there are more than 100. Okay, Vache? So there are more than 100 only. So we'll go according to this only. Very, very good. Now, who will suggest? Let's do something, some nice topic. Who's going to suggest?
And the words are exactly 150.
So you'll have to be careful when you also do this thing. Whenever you're writing, be very careful. Is it okay, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
tell me.
Okay.
Very, very good. Tell me, children.
Science exhibition.
That would be event, beta. That would be an event. Let's go for some thing. Today we are doing thing. Next class we'll take up events. Person, things, or place or events. What will you describe? Something. What do you want to describe?
My mobile phone.
Chalo, this is nice. My mobile. Everybody is okay with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
We will just very good. This is the most interesting part, no doubt. Everybody can flaunt about their expensive so-called mobiles. Fine, Bache. Now, what we are going to do is first 5 lines only, like we always do. We'll not write the entire thing in post. We'll just be writing the first 5 lines and posting. So you'll just be writing the first 5 lines. Okay, first 5 lines only, children. You'll be writing and you'll be posting. And as the rule is, you'll also be reading out for everybody. You know the rules. We'll be doing that only. Hurry up, first 5 lines. What is the heading that you will give?
Ma'am, my mobile phone.
And my
Yes.
mobile.
Good. Please,
My
first
mobile.
5 lines. And tell me that, ma'am, I'm posting, and read it out for everybody, whoever does. Hurry up, children. Hurry up. Only those students who will post in the group will be marked present, beta. Try and make it interesting, huh? Try and make it interesting, a little different from everybody. Everybody should be a little unique. Hurry up, beta. Only first 5 lines.
Ma'am, may I speak?
Yes, beta, please.
My mobile phone. The thing that is mostly liked by all of the generations is the mobile phone. My mobile phone is of Vivo and the model is Vivo V21. From the back, it has a lightning combination of colors with AMOLED displays which touch our eyes.
Very good. So approximately how many words have you written, beta?
Ma'am, approximately ma'am 50.
Okay, very good, very good. Hurry up, hurry up. Others also. Hurry up. See, she's written nicely.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, beta, please speak.
My phone of Samsung is like my best friend. It's of grayish color and it reflects very smoothly. It reflects very smoothly, and I
No, just
I
read this
want to.
line again. Just read it once again. What it does very smoothly.
Ma'am, it reflects.
Mobile reflects what? Hmm?
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am, not reflects, ma'am. The rays, ma'am, that come off.
हाँ बच्चे, but from a mobile reflects. Just change this sentence. Rest everything is correct. Very good. Reflection can be for a mirror, but mobile we cannot use this word. Put something else. It looks very nice. It appears to be very
Ma'am,
nice. Something like
ma'am,
this.
emits, EMITS,
That
emits
is okay, but
lights.
what does it emit? What does it emit? What does a mobile emit?
Ma'am, the rays.
Rays. This is not a good point, beta. You cannot see. Anyways, you've written, but avoid writing this. This is a harmful aspect of the mobile. Of course, it emits rays. So don't say nicely. Yes, children.
Okay, ma'am.
More beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Hurry up, bache, hurry up. Only 3 students are so quick to do.
Ma'am,
What
may
about
I?
others? Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. My mobile phone. My phone is just amazing. It is, in a way, a wise friend of mine. It provides me with a lot of knowledge and helps me learn new things every day. I wouldn't be able to attend my school without it. My phone is a Redmi Note 7 Pro. It is very sleek and chic in appearance.
Excellent, Anoki. Very, very nice. Very well done. Approximately how many words have you written?
Ma'am, might be about 50.
Very good. Very, very good. Continue,
Ma'am,
bache.
Ma'am,
I have to add on my.
Okay, okay. Add on, please. Others, please, first 5 lines, speak out.
It not even helps me in my
Mhm.
uh, in my
Yes,
studies,
beta.
but
Mhm.
it not even helps me even in my studies, but also as well as in my gaming, because I also love gaming, and it is very easy to play on it, because ma'am, I am not able to continue.
Ma'am, may I continue? Ma'am, may I continue the next 5 lines?
See, you should always first write and then speak. Otherwise, you will get stuck while speaking. You know, always prefer first to write and then speak. Yes, beta, those who have
Okay,
written
ma'am.
and are ready.
Ma'am, may
Speak.
I speak?
Speak out. Beta, one by one,
Ma'am, may
start
I tell?
speaking and keep posting. Please start one by one.
I don't own a personal mobile phone, so I use my mother's mobile phone. It is from Samsung and is blue in color. My phone being lightweight and small is very convenient to carry and can be used anytime.
Excellent. Very good. Nice.
Ma'am,
Now who
I-
is reading next? Yes, beta, start. Hmm.
my mobile phone is just amazing, as it provides me a knowledge of various fields that I want to get. I had a long and thin mobile, so I didn't got hand pain while using the phone. It is a mobile of MI80. It is peach in color. It it has every functions that a good mobile should have.
Very good. Very, very nice. Yes, who is going to read next? Too good.
Ma'am, may I speak the next 5 lines?
Beta, one by one, keep speaking. First the initial 5 lines.
ma'am, may I?
Speak.
Ma'am, the model name of my mobile phone is Redmi Note 7 Pro and it's from Xiaomi. Ma'am, my mobile phone is really indispensable for me nowadays as I attend all my classes from it and really helps me in editing my music videos. I like to call it an ocean of knowledge as it always helps me in my academics and music too. Whenever I need help from it, my all study material stored in my mobile phone.
Very good. Very good. Approximately how many words you have written? You count and others speak now.
Ma'am,
Speak,
50 words.
beta. Speak. Very good. Continue. Try and finish. Others speak.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, beta. Start.
My mobile phone. Today, my mobile phone is a necessity in my life. It helps me in various different ways. I have an MI phone. It has cover with soldier print which beautifies it. My mobile does not have a SIM as it is provided to me only for my online classes. It works on Wi-Fi, so sometimes it does, but it helps me to take my classes every day.
Excellent. Very, very nice. Very nicely spoken. How many words counted approximately? And others speak, beta. Hurry up.
Ma'am, I have also done.
Okay, speak.
Ma'am, may I tell?
One by one, keep on speaking. Hurry up,
Okay,
hurry up.
ma'am. In today's generation, mobile phones have become a part of our body. My phone is of Samsung and model is A70. It runs really smooth. Its RAM is 6 GB and internal storage is 128 GB. Its storage can be expanded. My classes are possible because of it. I often use it for studies and gaming. It's black in color.
Very good. Very nice. Yes, who's
Ma'am,
speaking
may
next? Yes,
Ma'am, may
beta
I
speak.
speak?
I
Keep
have a
speaking.
black I have a black colored slim body Samsung J7 Max phone. I do not own it. It is of my mother, but still I use it for my online classes and for my other stuff. Having a good phone doesn't mean that it is a perfect phone. You should be having perfect and really useful applications.
Very good, Prachi. She's added on something different. She's talking about the applications that we have in a mobile. Very good. Yes, Bache, continue. Too good.
My mother's phone is my best friend during these COVID times. Due to my phone only, I am able to do my online classes. It is Sony Xperia and is of silver color. Also, it is a kind of rough and tough. It works so smooth. It helps me in various tasks.
Very good. Well done. Too good. Who's speaking next?
Ma'am, may I
Ma'am,
speak next 5 lines?
Yes. Hurry up, beta. Keep on speaking. Good.
I write few poems in some lines that come to my mind at instance on my phone. My phone is also used by my brother equally. My phone has a beautiful wallpaper which says, I am learning the importance of living in the moment.
See, this is such a unique idea, talking about the wallpaper on the phone. There was one child who was making videos, music videos, and now she's talked about writing poetry on it.
Ma'am,
Very
may
good.
I
Child.
speak
Ma'am, now
my
can I
Yes,
tell?
beta.
ma'am, may I speak my
Keep
next
speaking
5
one by
lines?
one.
It has many apps like YouTube, Candy Crush, WhatsApp, Telegram, etc. But my favorite app is Google because it has answers to all my questions. I mostly use my phone for online classes. Apart from studies, I also use it for watching movies and listening to songs.
Very good. See how we have made it a little different. Only describing the mobile physical appearance is not sufficient. How this has been made a little different. Very, very good, beta.
Now
Yes,
can I tell
next.
now?
Continue.
My mobile phone. My mobile phone is amazing. My mobile phone is of Samsung company and its name is M31. It is of dark blue color which makes it beautiful and has a storage capacity of 128 GB.
Very good. Now he's talking about the storage capacity also, which normally is a new feature which is added on to so many people who are speaking. Very
ma'am,
good. Yes.
ma'am, let me
Ma'am, may
start.
I?
Ma'am, let me speak from my beginning because my it gone wrong.
Speak, beta.
May I?
Start,
Yes, ma'am.
beta. Continue to speak.
My Samsung phone is like my best friend. It has only involved me in the era of technology. It also supported me in the pandemic during online classes. It only introduced me with online games and uh, and online shopping, etc.
Very good. Online shopping is one more new thing which is added, which can be done with the help of a mobile. Good. Continue, Adus.
Ma'am, may I?
Sorry.
Continue, beta.
Not every application in my phone I'm allowed to use, like Facebook, Insta, Twitter. But still, I use applications which are suitable for me and I like them, like YouTube, Google, and Pinterest.
Very good. Google is coming up again. Very nice. Continue, children.
Ma'am, Pinterest is nicer than Google.
Okay, very nice. Hurry up. Still, we have more students to come up and speak. Add on so that we can post later. Hurry up, beta.
Yes, ma'am. May I speak?
Yes, beta, speak.
My new mobile phone of Redmi is of grey with a glass finish. It is my best asset till now as it is very useful to me. It also helps me to attend my online classes in this pandemic. But the most bad thing about the mobile phone is that it is a great distraction to me.
Okay. See, this is a very honest confession and I really liked it. Somebody who is honestly confessing about at least one disadvantage of the mobile phone. Very good. Very nice, beta. Continue. So this is how new ideas keep coming up. Speak, beta.
Ma'am, may I speak from the starting?
Speak, beta.
Yes, ma'am. A wireless object that has the world into it. I don't have any my personal mobile phone for myself, but uses of my mother one. It is an Android phone and is covered with dark royal blue color. In today's world, it provides me with all the study materials and help me in acquiring knowledge on many grounds. It is full with apps, but for me, Twitter is the best app in my phone and in my mother's phone that gives me the current happenings and knowledge of all over the world. It also makes our family to be connected as it have Ludo King, which makes our family happy and joyful.
See, beta, so many new ideas this child has come up with.
Ma'am, may I speak?
Family being connected with the help of a mobile, entertaining part of the mobile, that is the Ludo, that has also come up. Very good, children. Yes,
Ma'am,
next.
may I?
This is how you should come up with new ideas of yours. Speak, beta.
Okay. I have YouTube, WhatsApp, Google, Flipkart, Truecaller, and many more apps in my phone.
Very good. Many apps in the phone.
Truecaller is for my safety so that I can get more things.
Very, very good.
WhatsApp.
Hmm. She's talking about a very important application
WhatsApp
in the
helps
mobile,
me.
that is WhatsApp. Hmm.
WhatsApp helps my family to connect it. I have many groups of my family friends in WhatsApp.
Okay, very good. Yes.
May
Who's
I?
speaking?
May
Yes,
I?
Priti. Come on, start.
My mobile phone is Redmi. It is of blue color. I used to attend class from this phone. It can capture many things. It looks to appear nice. It has many apps in this phone.
Very good. Something different. Good, good. Who is next?
May I?
I hope you all are posting on the groups also. Post on the group only, then you will be marked present, children. Post on the
May
group
I?
as well. Ha, beta, speak.
Ma'am,
Speak, which is speak.
I had various apps in my phone like YouTube, Google, and but but the most common that I used were YouTube, Google, Duolingo, WhatsApp, and Telegram.
Hmm. Good, very good. Very good. WhatsApp and Telegram. New Telegram is something new which is added up. Who is speaking next?
ma'am, may I?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, my mobile phone is not complete without my both headphones. Because when I record any audio, then my headphones only help me to predict that there is any background disturbance in the audio or not. And when I create 8D audios, then my mobile phone and my headphones help me the most.
Very good. So he's added on additional thing now. What is it? Along
Ma'am,
with the mobile phone, the
Headphones.
Okay. So this is how you can always keep on making your thing a little different from the others. Because most of you then will like the same thing, it will be boring. Yes, who is coming up with the next idea?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Speak, speak. Come on, keep speaking.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, ma'am.
Beta, keep speaking.
Yes, ma'am. It is one of my source of it is one of my most important source of entertainment and can be called as my brother. My parents only let me have it for 2 hours. In lockdown, to do away with my boredom, I use it for watching Netflix and watch many YouTube videos on it. It gets me acquainted with the happenings around the world. I can get my pending work from my friends and by calling them. I can also chat with them on mobile phone. This is all possible because of my mobile phone. I'm done.
Very good. So he's
Ma'am, may
getting the
I?
mobile phone to us only apart from the classes, no?
Yes,
Other than
ma'am.
the classes, you get it for 2 hours. Sufficient. You can watch
Yes, ma'am.
videos, you can speak to your friends. Very good. Good, good. Very good. Next, speak.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Continue. Speak, Vita.
It is very
It
important for communication too and keeps all of us together. As in this pandemic, we can't meet each other. So it is only possible because of the mobile phone that even without meeting each other, we are connected and are together through video calling and normal calls.
Very good. See, we have added on something new for the mobile thing, and that is video calls. Good. Something new has come up. That is what? That is the video call, children. Yes. Who is
Ma'am, may I?
next? Peter, speak.
It might not be the best, but whatever I want, it's the storage house of my need. It's my phone. Its model is A31. It's one worth flaunting around. It comes with amazing features like quad camera setup, 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, 5 megapixel macro camera, and 5 megapixel depth camera. It has a large U infinity display with 6.4 inches screen. It has a battery life of 5000 mAh. It contains many applications which I use daily like YouTube, WhatsApp, Google, Zoom, and Discord, etc.
Very good. He's very nicely described about the features of his mobile.
May I?
Power, camera, very, very nice. Since we're talking about mobile, it's good that we're describing the mobile nicely. Yes,
Ma'am,
who
may
will
I?
tell me? Speak.
Ma'am, my iPhone is best for me. It helps me in studies. It tells all my problems. My phone is Honor 9N. It is covered by smoke cover. I loved it. I play games and take online class on it. When I go for my morning walk, I shoot the pictures of natures.
Oh, that is nice. So you carry a
Ma'am,
mobile for the morning walk. That is nice.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
next. Very
ma'am, may I?
nice. Continue.
My mobile phone helps me. To my phone, I can save my memories for long. It helps me so
Yes.
much, and I am so happy to have a mobile phone.
See, this is nice. One more point. Memories. It helps to save the memories also. Very, very nice. Yes, Vache, speak.
I used to listen music and movies from this phone. The wallpaper phone is very nice. It has many lights like YouTube, Google, WhatsApp, and Facebook, etc. It can capture many beautiful and nice pictures. It keeps us to connect with our friends and families. As we know, mobile phone is bad for us, but it helps us much in this pandemic. I used to spend less time with my phone.
Very good. Everybody knows that in this
Ma'am, can I?
pandemic, I think mobile is no doubt the best friend. Yes, Vache,
Ma'am,
speak. I hope everybody is posting on the groups.
Yes, ma'am.
it
Yes,
has
I'll only
it
mark
has
those students present who post on the group. Hanchi, beta, speak.
yes, ma'am. It has live wallpaper, which makes it very creative. It has many good applications like Google, YouTube, Telegram, and most important, Zoom, which is used in my online classes. It has a good camera which give rear HD photos. It has a quad camera which give many details. The audio quality of the video is best in my phone. It has a battery life of 6500 mAh.
Oh, this is a new point added. Apart from talking about the camera, see, one new thing this child has added is the battery life as well. Very good. This is how you should think. That how we can think about what additional thing is left which we have missed out. Any new thing which we can be described. Very good. Battery life is added up. Good children. Who next?
Ma'am, may I speak my
Yes,
conclusion
beta.
last?
Speak. Continue. Speak, beta.
I love my phone a lot, and all the features mentioned above in just one cell phone makes my life much more easier.
This is a conclusion. Excellent conclusion. But I want you to tell me the words now. Please count
Ma'am,
the words.
145. Ma'am, 145.
Perfect. 145 is perfect, beta. Very good. Entire thing post on the group with your name. Anji.
Ma'am,
Speak.
Ma'am, may I?
Hmm. Keep
Ma'am,
speaking.
we have multiple advantages of a phone, whether it is reading ebooks related to science fiction or watching science fiction movies. Mobile phones have helped me a lot to connect with beasts, monsters, vampires, wizards, etc. so much that I can literally imagine Godzilla listening my say.
Oh, this is interesting. Very good. Very good. Very, very good. Start.
No, ma'am, my words are 137.
137. This is
Yes, ma'am.
nice. Perfect,
Ma'am,
beta.
may I speak with
137.
the conclusion?
Yes, beta, speak.
As a whole, my phone is like a deep black hole full of knowledge, entertainment, and so much more. It allows me to connect with my people and my loved ones.
Very good. This is how we remain connected with others. This is very nice. Very, very nice. Who else will speak? Hurry up, children. Hurry up. We still have a
Ma'am, may
minute or
I?
so. Speak, beta.
It is a source of entertainment for me. It also has Amazon Prime, Netflix, and Disney Hotstar, etc., which helps me to which helps me to keep which helps me to be entertained.
Okay, she's talking about the entertainment part. That is interesting. Very good.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes. I hope everybody is posting on the group.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
My smartphone is like my best friend. Whenever I go somewhere, I always carry that. It's a phone of Samsung and model M21. It's very convenient phone, not very expensive, but just works so amazing and is very easy to handle. It's of my favorite color, black. I have a wallpaper of my family because whenever I feel sad or distressed, I always look at the wallpaper and just feel very relaxed. Mobile phones are just so amazing and it helps me every time in every situation. Nowadays, we can connect through our relatives very easily. We should always remember that mobiles are made for our health. We should not misuse or overuse them. This is how we can bring positive sides of everything. Thank you.
Excellent conclusion. Very nice. Very, very well done. Keep it up. See, the conclusion is very appropriate. Those who posted on the group can leave. We hardly have 30 seconds for the meeting to get over the class. And it's your break time now. But those who have not posted, please finish and post it first. Hurry up, I'm still waiting. We still have a minute or so. You can always finish and post on the group. Is there anyone who has not yet posted on the group or not spoken?
Ma'am, may I
Please,
speak the
everybody,
conclusion?
speak quickly, speak quickly. We still have 30 seconds. Speak quickly.
My cell phone being lightweight and small is very convenient to have and can be used anytime. Carrying it will not be a hassle for me since it is small. Having all the features mentioned above in just one cell makes my life easier.
Oh, see, the vocabulary that she has used has made it so interesting. The selection of words which are done by her. See, this is how your writing is different from others. Very good, beta. Post it on the group. Everybody, please post on the group before the class gets over or even after the meeting is over. You make sure you post.
Ma'am, can I